Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy poached egg sandwich. First, let's get our ingredients ready. Fresh eggs, your preferred bread, and any toppings you love. Next, fill a pot with about 3 inches of water and bring it to a gentle simmer. A little trick for perfect poaching is to add a splash of white vinegar to the water. This helps the egg whites set beautifully around the yolk. Now for the eggs. Crack each egg into a separate small bowl. This makes it easier to gently slide them into the simmering water. Cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes if you prefer a runny yolk, or a bit longer for a firmer one. While your eggs are poaching, toast your bread to your desired crispness and arrange your favorite sandwich toppings. Once your eggs are perfectly poached, carefully remove them from the water using a slotted spoon, allowing any excess water to drain. Place these warm, delicate eggs directly onto your freshly toasted bread. Now comes the fun part, building your sandwich. Add your favorite toppings like a slice of cheese, creamy avocado, crispy bacon, or a sprinkle of fresh herbs for extra flavor. And there you have it, a delicious, easy-to-make poached egg sandwich, ready to be enjoyed. This simple method elevates a basic breakfast or lunch into something truly special and satisfying. It's a fantastic way to start your day or enjoy a quick, healthy meal. For those looking to improve their financial well-being, a great resource is The Simple Path to Wealth *. Be sure to check the description below for a link to this book, as well as other helpful deals and resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.